Alright, so today we are unpacking our new Odyssey G5. That's a 32-inch monitor. Let's see the model. C32G5. What else? Okay, here's the model. C32G55TQWI. Alright, let's do it. Okay, let's check the picture. Oh my god, it's so blurred for some reason. Okay, so what do we got here? That's the warranty stuff, some labels, as well as the power adapter, and I don't know, I have to unpack it as well. Okay, so what do we got here? That's the power. Okay, that's the power, and that's the DP cable, display port. Alright, one DP only. Also we have a stand. Everybody is complaining on it because it's plasticky and it's not actually holding this guy good enough. Okay. Menu. It's the other part of the stand. Old plastic. Oh, you got a screw here. So we put in this one inside and then we screw it in. At least we don't need a screwdriver. I guess it should be opened from the other side, but we got what we got. Oh, the smell, this nice smell of the new item. Okay, okie dokie. Here it comes. Nice and shiny. I'm going to put it on a table. Nothing else inside. So let's just do it like that. Okay, so now we need to put it on somehow. Okay, by the way, what do we have here? Let's see. I think I'll just comment on this one. So we got the HDMI display port. This one says service. It's a USB port. Not sure if it works anyway. Then that's the headphones jack and the 19 volts DC in. That's it. Nothing fancy. One button here. Okay, or here one button. And that's like, I guess 75%, if 75, it's like non-standard. Holes for fixing it. Okay. Let's see how this being fixed in. Not sure if I have removed something from here or not. Okay, it's adjustable. Do I have to use force? I don't know. Maybe I should read the manual first, right? Okay, it should be coming in just like that. I think I put it on a table. Okay, here it goes. Gravity helps. Alright, so here's how it looks like from the back, of course. And I'm going to connect the power. Currently I have nothing to connect this monitor to for this video. It's just unpacking video. Alright, that's power. Okay. I have the power outlet here. So I'm not connecting it to anything right now. Well, that's it. It says HDMI waiting for a connection, but I don't have actually right now anything I can connect it to. Actually I have a PC, but I need to like move it to another table or move the PC. I'll do it later. So I guess that's it for unpacking. looks good, or maybe it looks great. I'm looking for any dead pixels. I don't see any right now. The most important thing is not to have the dead pixels, right? I mean visible dead pixels. They are not clearly visible, that's fine. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.